Action. Hi guys, so you may notice that I'm oddly to the side of the screen today. The reason for that is because I'm doing a what's on my iPhone XS Max video today. Let's just not waste time. Here is gonna be my screen recording of my screen, obviously. Let's just get into it because I talk too much. First of all, this, if you have not seen my unboxing, click that and then come back, hello. But this is my XS Max. It is black, all black. The background is black, the case is black. Everything is black, that's just how we do it. So yeah, I have the black Apple silicone case on it and it's just really nice. It doesn't really get like dirty, it's very resistant, so I like it. And it doesn't let you like drop your phone because it's so grippy, so that's really nice. But anyway, I'm just gonna put my screen recording right here and you can follow along and see what is on my iPhone XS Max. This is my home screen, and as you can see, it is very black. Even the do not disturb notification is black. And it stopped recording. Honestly, I suck. You saw the home screen. Everyone is satisfied. Now, as you may notice, I only have 2 pages, and that is because I just like it that way. I don't really like having folders, so on the first page, I just have like every app that I use on a daily basis. Then on the second page, I have folders of stuff that I don't really use that much, but I kind of need those apps. So in the first upper left-hand corner is just the date. I like having that because it's just right on the top. You can see it very easily, and that's really the only explanation. Then we have the clock, so you can see the time, but honestly, who looks at the clock when you can just look at the time? Then I have phone, weather, camera, photos, notes, and basically all the Apple apps in another folder that I don't really use, but I might need them still, so I just keep them there just in case. But I've deleted a lot of the Apple apps because a lot of them are pointless, to be honest. Then we have Waze, and I'm not gonna open that because it's gonna show my location. It's better than Apple Maps because it shows you like traffic and takes you the quickest way possible to get to wherever you're going. It'll take you like through back roads and whatnot, so that's kind of handy. And also it tells you like if there's police reported, it tells you the speed limit, it tells you if things are on the road, so it's very nice and I really like it. And also you can program it to talk to you in your voice, so you can like record directions and then you can hear yourself. Then we have Spotify, and I will open this. Yeah, I don't really use Apple Music, I like Spotify. I will show you some of my playlists. So, they're kind of questionable, to be honest. Feeling like a child of God. The Weekend, depressing as puppies. Ladies, I am hot as fire. But yeah, as you can tell, I really like Post Malone. I like The Weekend, and just some different kinds of music. Then we have SoundCloud, and I don't really use this that much, to be honest, but it is nice for songs that, of course, I haven't even signed in yet, nice. But I use this for songs that are not on Spotify, just like leaked, unreleased type songs, so that's nice. Then we have Wells Fargo for my bank, even though I'm broke. Then we have daily horoscopes, and this app, like, I don't really take horoscopes that seriously, but this one is so accurate and it's really weird. And I don't know if you guys knew this, but I am a Sagittarius. By the way, it's taking me through the setup because like a lot of these apps I haven't even set up yet. It's just really like strangely accurate. Whenever I show other people their horoscope, they're like, how is it that spot on? So if you want like any kind of horoscope app, you should get this one. Sometimes it gives like good advice, so maybe you don't even need a horoscope, it just tells you like advice. Then we have day one, and this is kind of like my journal. I don't want to say diary because that's kind of like a little extreme, but it basically is a diary. You just like write whatever you want, and I try to write in it every day, but I don't. But I do write pretty often, and I've done this for years now, so it's nice to look back on and just have the memories written down. Oh, my legs are getting so tired. You know what? I'm just gonna look like a little stub for the rest of the video. Then we have my Fitness Pal. No, this is an unflattering angle. Yeah, Squidward. Okay, hold on. I'm getting a pillow. Oh. That that works. Okay. Yeah, so I have my Fitness Pal, and I haven't used this lately, but I was using it when I was really tracking like how to eat, because I mean, I'm not like fully vegan, but I basically am vegan. I'm definitely vegetarian though, but it would just help me to get enough protein and not eat too much of what I shouldn't be eating. So that app is really helpful if you are looking to just like get healthier or lose or gain weight or maintain weight. It really teaches you how to eat, but I don't really use it anymore. I kind of just like gauge what I eat on my own. So yeah, but I still have it just in case. Then Life 360 is the stupidest app in the world, and honestly, if they somehow find this video, they might get pretty pissed off, but honestly, like, it sucks. So basically, it's like a family tracking app, and I don't know why my location needs to be tracked. I'm almost 21, I'm in college, but it's pretty annoying when you get a text like, "Where are you going? Why are you not at class?" I'm like, "I'm at Ulta, just leave me alone." Then we have Snapchat, and I'm gonna open it. So, hi, this is my setup that I talk about all the time, my ghetto setup. Yeah, it's not really updated yet, so yeah, it's kind of too zoomed in for the max. But my Snapchat is just Sophia Noel if you want to add me. But yeah, this is like my favorite social media. I use this one probably the most. I post stories almost every day. Then we have Instagram. This is my page. It's just Sophia Camarda. Then we have Twitter, and this one I like a lot. You know, I don't tweet too much, but I am on here a lot. So if you want to follow me on that one, this is just Sophia Camarda. By the way, all my social media links are below if you want to ever find them, but they're all usually just Sophia Camarda, and luckily there's not many Sophia Camardas in the world. It's kind of weird. I've looked it up and there's not really that many, so the one and only, ladies. Then we have Reddit, and I'm not gonna open that, but basically it's Reddit. That's it. I just go on there, I stalk Bachelor subreddits, I stalk like Sims, I don't know. That's really it. I kind of just chill on there when Twitter gets too political for me, so. Then we have Facebook, and I don't like Facebook. I don't use it. I really only have it because like all my family has it, or if someone messages me or posts something, I'll know, so I'm not like ignoring them. Pinterest, I only really go on here for like recipes and house decor, but I'll show you my page. But yeah, I just post like style, apartment, so that's pretty much it. Then we have Visco, and this one I don't use a lot either, but I do like to post some things on here, so I just have a few like artsy pictures. I have a picture of my husky. I have pictures from when I went to LA this summer, just random little stuff that is visually appealing, I guess. Then we have Starbucks. Yeah, so Starbucks is the one ordering app that I use like very often. I never actually go into Starbucks and order my stuff because one, why would you do that when you can just order it from the app? But two, my order is usually really annoying and I feel bad, so I just order on the app and hope that they don't hate me, but they probably do hate me. By the way, if anyone's wondering, like my go-to drink right now, it's obviously pumpkin spice lattes, which they're not that good, but they're somehow really addicting. It's kind of like crack. They're really not that good, but it's like I want one every single day. I don't know what they put in it, but I'm sick of it. So I basically get a short pumpkin spice latte. I literally get the smallest size because they are so bad for you. Like the short one has, I think, 20 grams of sugar, which is ridiculous. You're only supposed to have like 25 a day. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But yeah, I get it. Usually soy or almond milk, no whipped cream. Oh yeah, and 1 pump of the pumpkin syrup instead of 2 because they put too much in there. But yeah, that's what I get. I know, not complicated at all. Why did it stop recording? So that was the first page. Now on the second page is like my nonsense apps. So I have 3 main folders. I have lifestyle, which is apps that I use for like lifestyle, but I don't use them every day. I just need them. So for example, I have Whole Foods, and I use this when I go grocery shopping. Obviously, I'm not signed in because I didn't set up these apps because I'm too lazy. I just downloaded them. Then next we have Fitbit, and this is synced to my like Fitbit Aria scale thing. Then we have Ovia, and this is good for tracking like your overall fertility cycleness, I guess. Of course, not logged in. I freaking suck. But basically it tracks like your cycles, tells you when you're fertile, stuff like that, and you can just write like all your symptoms and whatnot. And it's very handy. I really recommend that one. Then we have Messenger, and this is for the Facebook app. I don't know why they make you download that separately. Like, as if Facebook isn't annoying enough, they make you do that. But yeah, I have that just in case like any family or anyone messages me, I can see it. But I honestly don't check it, so I don't know why I have the app. Then we have the Sephora app, and I basically just use this for shopping, coupons, stuff like that. Of course, not signed in. I suck. Then we have Ulta, and that's pretty much the same thing. Shop on the app, sign in, get the coupons, get your points, blah, blah, blah. Then we have Clean Juice, and I don't know. Do we have Clean Juice just in like the Carolinas? I have Clean Juice, and this is a local like pressed juicery place, and it's just really nice. I like to online order from that, so I have the app. Then I have Twitch, and I honestly use this because sometimes I'll be watching like Sims streamers, and it's just easier to use the app than going on the website. Plus I have my own account because I've been thinking about like streaming for months now, and I just will not do it. I don't know why. It never really occurs to me to do it. I don't really have the time, honestly, but I really want to, so maybe I will one day. Who knows? But yeah, not signed in. I am a piece of trash. Then we have Influencer, and I just got this app, but it basically, I don't really know exactly what it does, but I know that it like hooks you up if you leave reviews of products, and then you can get like sent products to review. I don't really know how it works. Not signed in because I suck. Then we have Venmo. I've only used this a few times, but it's handy, I guess. I have the Uber app, which I've literally never used. I don't even really trust Ubers, to be honest. They creep me out, but I have it because you never know. Then I have Bitmoji, and I feel like I just have this because you need it for the keyboard, but honestly, I haven't set that up. Why am I filming this video? I really suck. Then we have Rico's Acai, and I feel like this is a local place too, but it's basically a little store that makes acai bowls. I know they have like multiple locations and like trucks and stuff. I don't even know if they have like stores. It is the best acai bowl you will ever have. It's not even like a real food. It's literally like a freaking, I don't know. It's like finding a unicorn or like a boy that will not cheat on you. Like, it's just that good. It stopped recording. Then we have DirecTV, and I only use this honestly on one occasion, and this is what it is. If I am not home and The Bachelor is on, I will watch it live on this app. Then I have the Yelp app, and honestly, let me tell you a story. It's very short. Yelp is stupid. Let me just set up a scenario. So you're looking to go to this coffee shop. It's new, it's local. You're like, oh my God, let's see the reviews. You pull it up, greatcoffee.com. I don't know. It says, oh, blah, 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 reviews on Yelp. You wanna see pictures of it, you wanna see the reviews. You click on it, download our Yelp app. Honestly, f you, Yelp, f you. So I only have the Yelp app for that stupid, annoying occasion when it says, download our Yelp app, blah, 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 so you can see our reviews. I don't want to be bothered with download the Yelp app ever again. I downloaded your stupid app, now go somewhere. Then last, we have iAquaLink, and I have not set this up either, but it basically syncs to my parents' pool at home, and you can turn on the lights in the pool. Now, if you guys didn't know, I go to the University of South Carolina, and I used to not say that because I'm like, I don't really want people stalking me. But you know what? I'll take my chances. Our school emails use Outlook, and I'm not gonna open that because I don't want to like reveal my messages. The Reef app is for the iClickers. If you guys are in college, you guys know what that is. Then Duo Mobile, you kind of just use that to sign into your like South Carolina account because they have like the multi-factor thing. Then we have the SC Rewards app, and this is basically for getting like football tickets. I still haven't gone to a game because honestly, I don't care about sports that much. Every like weekend that I think about going, going, I end up filming or doing something more important. So yeah. Then Courseigle is the best app for college. If you go to a big school or just like a place where the classes are very hard to get into when you register, you can put your school in. So as you can see, there's like this list of all these schools, and you can input like every class that you're trying to get into, like the exact section, and it'll give you a notification whenever the class, like a seat opens, so you can get in really quick, and it's super helpful. So definitely get that. Then last, we have photography. We have Facetune. Everyone has this app. Oh shoot, no, Siri, shut up. So yeah, I basically use this to edit my thumbnails or Instagram pictures. Then we have this Huji app, and honestly, like, I feel like everyone uses this, but I have not thought to use it yet. But it's basically that app that gives everyone like the little 98 in the corner, and it makes it look like you took the picture in 1998, even though the quality is like obviously from this year, so it's like, that doesn't really make sense. Then we have Square Quick, and this one just turns your Instagram pictures into squares so it can fit. Then we have Adobe Lightroom, and this is good for just like editing lighting or having like presets, but I really don't use this that much either, to be honest. I really just edit the lighting in like Facetune or Visco because it's like super easy, so yeah. Then PicStitch is good for creating collages, and that's pretty much it. Side by sides, collages, you name it. Then we have Superimpose Studio, and this is basically just for like editing. I'm an idiot. Editing things into pictures. So it's like photoshopped in, you know? Then Perfect 365. This was honestly the app that came before Facetune. Like, everyone used this app, and I still have it. I don't know why I don't really use it, but just in case Facetune cannot like do it for me, we have this girl as a backup because she used to be like the ride or die. So yeah. Oh, and on my bottom row, I have Messages, Gmail, Safari, and of course YouTube, because it's the best app of all time. That is my what's on my iPhone. And I realized that it kind of sucked. I thought I was prepared, but there was a lot of apps that I didn't set up yet. But I mean, you guys know what they are. I mean, I explained it and you saw that I had the app. I mean, I didn't promise quality content. I didn't. How do I end this? So let me like scoot on back to the middle. So that was everything on my iPhone XS Max. I hope you guys liked it. I know it was not that professional. I honestly need to start doing better videos. What a concept. Thank you for watching. And by the way, thank you for all the people that have been like watching my unboxing. There's been a lot of new people coming into this channel, so I just want to say thank you. I'm so glad that you guys liked it and liked me enough to subscribe. Hopefully you don't get sick of me. I'm like low-key scared that people are gonna unsubscribe. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.